I'm really excited about these next 4 days. We're going to be heading up there. It's all in the clouds now, but that's Umling La, the highest road in the world. We've got a 4-day circuit, 200 kilometers. There's going to be 4 passes over 5,000 meters, but we're really going to go slow and steady. We feel pretty good, acclimatized quite well. I'll tell you when I'm up at Umling La at just about 6,000 meters how I feel. We're going to be camping for 3 nights, and I'm really excited. Janie, what's your perspective?
I'm so excited about climbing up there, lack of oxygen, choking on the nitrogen, and having a sleepless night with like massive headache.
Headache.
I can't wait.
And below zero temps.
Oh yeah, below 0 temps.
We're having a tough day. We started down there like 20 kilometers ago, and now we've actually got to get up and over that pass. But we're not going to do it all today. We're going to camp partway in this beautiful, lush vegetation. I forgot to say that we've got a wicked headwind, so we're walking most of this. Coming up that desert for the last 25 kilometers, it was sure, with the headwind, it was sure worthwhile, because look at this beautiful spot we found. I think it's an abandoned shepherd camp with sheep poo everywhere. Ah, well, it's home sweet home for the night. This little gadget, the inflator, is amazing. When you're at 5,000 meters, you don't want to be blowing up your thermarest. This is a lifesaver. I'm glad our tent doesn't have too big of a footprint. It just fits in the foundation of this little hut perfectly.
We chose the wrong road.
No, this is fun. Doing great. Keep going. Enjoy the fun. We are almost at 5,000 meters, and this is a steep road. We're sort of between 10 and 15%. Not what you want at this elevation. Janie's not happy. Janie's got renewed energy. We just passed 5,200 meters, and we are very close to the top. And Janie's going hard! Way to go, girl! Get angry! See, Janie gets angry and then she gets strong. Look at this. Look at that elevation. How do you feel?
Shitty.
Okay, short and sweet. Shitty. Let's go down! The tough climb was worth it because when we dropped down to the valley, we came across this beautiful herd of yak. We've been watching this drama for the last hour. So the white guy, oh, he's scaring this guy away from his girlfriend. And there she is. Oh, and he's got to scare those other guys away. There's a lot of drama going on here. You ready to climb?
Here we go, 1,000 meters up.
No, not 1,000.
1,200.
Yeah. So we've got this climb.
Easy.
Easy peasy, 1,200 meters to get up to 5,800. And then we'll be at the top. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. She's all smiles now. But let's see what happens in about 4 hours from now. We are starting on the road to Umling La. And as the sign says, Welcome to the highest motorable road. We've gained 600 meters, 2.5 hours. We're only halfway. Thank you. Thank you. You having fun? No. Yes, you are. You're certainly having fun. Yes, you are. We made it! 57.98. Oh man. Janie was a machine. We just whipped that off in only 4.5 hours. Average of 5 kilometers an hour. Here we are. The highest road in the world. It's amazing. You did great. So proud of you. Oh. Well done, sir. Well done. Oh. How do you feeling? Oh, I feel amazing. I'm crying.
A little tired.
Oh,
Ooh,
such a special
hard.
day with my wife.
Thank you for all the waves.
Both of you, congratulations.
Thank you for all the waves. I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Encouragement,
Everybody was
yeah.
like, "Woo, keep going,
Yes.
keep
Oh, wow.
going." Forever.
Wishes to the best wife in the world and the best family. And here we are. Let our prayers go free. We made it. Here we are. Highest in the world. Janie made it. I made it. Fantastic trip. Let's go down. There's a little tiny tea shop at the top. How appropriate. This is what the top is like. As soon as the big motorcycle groups leave, it's actually very quiet. We are leaving the gateway of Umling La and heading back to Hanley. We have 1,000 meter pass to go over today at Photi La at 5,500, and then it's all downhill to Hanley. Looks like another epic lunch site. Wow, now we can really see the route going right through this valley here. And believe it or not, that's the road. We're only a third of the way. Well, once again, we're surpassing 5,000 meters. This time fully loaded. It's not easy. This is our third 5,000 meter pass in 3 days. Yesterday we went to the highest pass in the world at 5.8, and this one I think it's about 5.6, and it's the 6th highest in the world. So we're doesn't get any easier, but we're getting our climbs in. When you look back from where we came, it's amazing. Can't believe we did that. So we're getting on to this one will probably be done in maybe a little under 5 hours. A little slower than yesterday. Same elevation, gain 1,100 meters, but we have all our luggage with us, so makes us a little slower. Okay, we're on Photi La. It's not very exciting. Not much going on here, except there's a big thunderstorm coming, so we better get down.